In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more signatures in HubSpot with this full guide. If you're using HubSpot for your business communications, having multiple email signatures can be incredibly beneficial. Perhaps you wear many hats and need a signature for different roles, or maybe you're part of multiple teams and require different signatures for each. Whatever the reason, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to HubSpot. You can do this by opening your favorite web browser and typing in HubSpot's URL, then logging into your account. Once you've logged in, you'll be on the main dashboard page. From there, look towards the upper right corner. You should see a small gear icon, which is the settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to your account settings, where we can make the necessary adjustments to add more email signatures. Now that you're in the settings, direct your attention to the sidebar menu on the left side of the screen. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Email. Click on Email and you'll be presented with several options related to your email settings. The option we need is Manage Email Signatures. By clicking on this, you'll be taken to the Signature Management area. In the Signature Management area, you'll see a list of any email signatures you currently have set up. To add a new one, look for the button that says Add New Signature. Go ahead and click on that button to start creating a new signature. You'll then be prompted to enter the name of your new signature. This name is just for your reference, so you can choose something descriptive that will remind you of when to use this signature. After entering the name, you will have a text box where you can compose your new signature. Here, you can include your name, title, contact information, or any other details you and your recipients might find useful. Once you're satisfied with how your new signature looks, you'll want to save your work. Look for the Save button on the page and click it to ensure your new signature is stored and ready to use. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new signature in HubSpot. This process can be repeated for as many signatures as you need, allowing you to manage your communications more effectively. Having multiple email signatures set up means you can quickly switch between them as needed, making your email exchanges smoother and more professional. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check our other videos for more tips and guides on optimizing your HubSpot experience.